All right, well, here we go. Much better. Very snug fit. I may need to adjust the ties in the back, but it is much better fit than it was before. You could see the wings are tucked in. They're not exactly at the exact bottom of this, but much better than they were. The wings are getting hugged into my body. I feel like my back plate's still slightly higher, which is my understanding is the way it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be right here at the bottom of where my collarbones meet, and then right here at the top of this, or right at this bone where my back meets my neck. I like it. Thanks for the tip, comments, and thanks for the help, Shaw Customer Service. Hope this helped.